back to another video. Today, Megan is leaving the house at the same time I am. Look at that. No, just kidding. Today we have a new kind of add-on accessory for the Mustang. But before we do that, we have to get one thing for it, and that's gonna be some thread. So you guys can think about what that might be before the end of the video. There's Megan again, she's leaving. All right, glasses on. We have a couple things to do. Like I said, we're gonna go get some thread, white thread, so you guys think about what that might be for. Secondly, we're gonna wash the car because in Georgia here, it's been raining a shit ton and the car is dirty already. It might only last a day or two, but I don't really care. It's gotta be done. So we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna come back and install this product and see how it looks. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna love it or hate it or be indifferent, but we'll see once I install it. Let's go, come for a ride. All right, folks, we're going over to good old Michael's right now to get some thread. I'm probably gonna look like a fish out of water in there because I have no idea. I don't go into Michael's that often, but I know that they sell sewing stuff, so that's gonna give you another hint right now. I probably look like an idiot as I'm holding my camera. I'm not driving, guys. That's not safe. Don't do what I'm doing. Kids, live a long time. Don't do what I'm doing. Anyways, Mustang has been pretty dirty, so I can't wait to get her cleaned up. Let's go. Nah, we're not getting on her too hard this morning here, guys, but we're going to Michael's. I will see you there. Look who we have at a stoplight. How convenient is this? Megan, on her way to the store. I found you. Funny. Well, and there we are. Made it. And you can't see it, but we're here. Let's go get that thread. And we'll come back to you. Well, we got it, boys. We got it. Nothing too much to write home about, but you guys keep thinking on what it's gonna be for later in this video. Oh my God. It is hot as hell today here in Georgia. It's just very humid, so let me get these fans off. I learned last time not to put the mic right in front of the vent because then you guys get the wind noise. So it kind of sucked. I was kicking myself when I was editing the last one. Anyways, we got this thread. Looks like way too much. Probably won't need all this, but yeah. That's about it. I wish it was more exciting. So let's go wash the car now because it desperately needs it, and we'll get on with it. Also, you guys might have noticed my Sync 3 screen is no longer operational. It does not turn on at all. So that is another little thing. Not really little. I mean, it's going to be pretty expensive to fix. Kind of problem here, and unfortunately I'm out of warranty with 50,000 miles on the car, so that's up to me. I'm pretty sure it's the APIM module, and that connects to the back of the screen. So right on the other side of this screen there's a module that connects up to it. It's the whole brains of the operation. So that's yet another thing that I'm gonna have to fix or replace, I think, because unfortunately if I go to the dealer, this is going to be upwards of $1,000 to get a new APIM module installed in the car, which I can't deal with. I can't fathom spending $1,000 on to get Sync 3 back again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a module online somewhere, hopefully here in the US, that is programmable. The company will program it for me to my VIN number. And I'm going to rip apart the dash and everything, and we're going to put it in. So that's going to be another video that's going to be coming up. I thought I could hold off a little bit and wait because I got so many other things I want to spend that money on. But without a radio, it's kind of tough. I'm listening to Spotify on my cell phone speakers in the car or my AirPods, and it's okay. It gets the job done, but you know, I want it back. So that's going to be an upcoming video as well. But just so you guys are updated, that's what happened. Did you guys ever have anything like this happen? I mean, let me know down below, because I'm curious. The more I research into this, the more I see that there's been other folks with this problem as well. And it's not just me. So let me know down below.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
Woo! All right, we're done, and it is freaking hot today, guys. Wow, I am sweating buckets over here, but the car is fully dried, completed, everything's done. I got the AC blasting in my face right now, and we're gonna go home and get this install started. So why don't I meet you there? Yeah, I'll meet you there. Okay. Bye. All right, guys, we made it home, and car is washed. We have the thread, and there's the bread. No, I don't know why I said that. It just rhymed. That was dumb. Anyways, I can't prolong it anymore. This is what we have to take a look at today. Let me show you. Ah, pretty nice, right? Thread. No, I can prolong it just a little bit more. Okay, let's just get onto it. So I went and got a steering wheel cover here, guys. This is one of those leather sew-on steering wheel covers for the Mustang S550 line. I think this fits anything from 2015 on up here so far. To be honest with you, when I ordered this, I noticed the red. I did not notice the blue stitching here. And in all honesty, I got nothing in the car that's blue. But then it hit me, maybe if instead of using the red or blue thread, I use white thread, we could have some sort of American flag kind of color theme going on here for the Mustang. I don't know if I'm gonna really love it or hate it or whatever, but we're gonna try it. If I don't like it, there's a bunch of other versions of this available, but let's get it out of the bag and take a look here. All right, so as you can see here, this is what it looks like. We have the center line at the top, which is actually a pretty nice touch. I think that's gonna look good. It's a fairly thick leather here too, guys, so it feels good. You see you have the perforated, whoop, if I can grab this thing here. You have the perforated leather here, which is gonna go where kind of your hands are at like a 9 and 3 position. And this is gonna be on top, and it's gonna come together just like that. I think it adds a nice little touch. You can see what they give you. They actually give you like a little snips here, some, you know, thread and whatnot. So, and a little prying tool just to stuff it underneath the plastic bits on the wheel. Now, why did I end up buying this? One reason is the stock wheel in the car is starting to show some wear there. So, I want to get something on there to kind of help mitigate that a little bit. I really did, you know, if money was no object, I would be replacing it with like a GT350 wheel, because I think those look incredible. I'm sure they feel much better than the stock EcoBoost wheels. But I think this is going to be a close second for like 36 bucks. I think I paid on Amazon for this. I think it's going to be nice. It should feel good. We'll just see if we like the colors. But let's go to the car and start working on it. Here we are. We have it kind of mocked up a little bit on the car. I decided this time I am gonna try the tape. I'm gonna see how that goes. I've never used it before, like I said, but today, I don't know, I decided to try a little something different. So I'm gonna try to get this kind of mocked up as well as I can. I gotta tuck all this in before we start the sewing process. But yeah, picked a great day to do it because it's super hot outside, so that's good. But yeah, it looks like it'll be pretty cool. I think with the white stitching, it's actually going to be pretty neat. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I got one side completed. As in one side, I mean 1/4 of a side. I just have to tuck this in here, but you can see what it's gonna look like, which actually looks pretty good. This is the bottom of the wheel right now. But I'm gonna keep going, and then hopefully soon we will have everything completed. Hopefully. All right, we're making some progress here. You can see kind of where I am right here. I just got done tucking everything underneath the trim on this side, so it actually is turning out pretty good in my opinion. You can see how it'll tighten all up there. And I gotta go back around this side if you can see it. Yeah, right there. And then it's on to the big section, the top part of the wheel. And but this side, you can see what it'll look like when it's done anyway. You can see that the stitching, it's all tucked in here. I still have to tuck in over here. But yeah, I think overall, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let me get you a farther out view here. Yeah, something like this. So it definitely feels much better on the hand here, for sure. So I'm gonna keep going with this, and then I will be back with you when I'm done. Woo, guys, it is done. It is fully completed and actually looks way better than I thought it would, honestly. I wasn't 100% sure if the red, white, and blue kind of theme, you know, would work, because the rest of the car, I don't think I'm going to be following this. But at this point in time, I don't think it's going to make one difference at all. I think it looks really good. So let me show you. Take a look right here. I think it came out great. Check it out, guys. Steering wheel cover is on. And to me, it doesn't even look like a cover. You can see the stitching here. This is what it turned out to be. And the cool part is this tucked in all around here perfectly. Like overall, pretty dang impressive for just some $36 steering wheel cover. You can see it's not 100% perfect on the line up there, but it's pretty close. Let me try to get you a farther away look here. But yeah, it's pretty close, guys, and it feels great. It's super hot in here, so the needle is like slipping through my hands as I'm doing this, but it feels awesome. It feels much more, I don't know, pristine, I guess, or I guess it makes it feel a little bit more special than just the normal steering wheel. So I think it's gonna be awesome. I think it's a great look for the interior. It's just subtle enough. Let me see if I can get a better view here. Yeah, it's just subtle enough where, you know, it's kind of a neat little extra, but I don't think, you know, it's anything too crazy. So overall, would I recommend it? Yes. I'm gonna put the link in the description just in case you guys are interested in it. But this did take me like 3 hours, and because all the stitching, it took forever. Look at my shirt's all messed up. God, I'm a mess right now. And it's like 95 degrees, but I decided to do it anyway, so that's kind of on me. But yeah, I think it turned out great. Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, just another mod, kind of a mod, if you can call it a mod, checked off the list. So I'm excited to kind of take it for a drive eventually and see how it feels, because it does feel a lot more premium with this cover on it. So kind of cool. If you guys are interested, like I said, into the description below. All right, guys, that's the video for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you think about that steering wheel cover. So far, I'm really liking it, and I don't know. I was a little unsure about it at first when I saw it, before I put it on the car. but now seeing it on the car, I'm a big fan. Let me know what you guys think about it. And of course, thank you all for watching. I wanted to announce something else though at the end of this video. We're coming up on 500 subscribers to the channel, so thank you so much for sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. Once we hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to announce I'm gonna start the giveaway in another video. I'm gonna do a $50 gift card to Amazon, an e-gift card. Once we are at 500 subscribers, we're at 445-ish right now, 450. So as soon as we hit that, there'll be another giveaway. So you guys make sure you're subscribed down below. Make sure you like the video if you like it. That helps me out a ton, gets that YouTube algorithm going, and I really appreciate it. So more on that in future videos, but I wanted to give you guys a heads up as it is gonna be coming. So guys, until the next one, have a good one. We'll catch you in the next upload. Bye.